Kasi trabaho kasi nila maging prosecutors. Kung prosecutor sila, sisiguruhin nila na yung kaso yung dadalhin nila sa impeachment court is a winnable case. Tama lang yun. Wala akong masama doon, guys. Legit. Ito, joke. Okay lang mo yun. Ngayon, kung sa palagay nila, yung first impeachment complaint will be, there's a possibility that it will be barred by the 1-year bar, but it's up to them. At least, may sinabi ko naman na rin ito noon. Itong pangatlo at pang-apat ay at the very least consistent with the decisions of the Supreme Court. Diba? So, okay na rin yun. At least na-correct ng tama ng ating Committee on Justice yan.
Proceeding today, we deliberated already on the sufficiency in form, and we concluded with voting, in which case both impeachment complaints, the third and the fourth, were both declared to be sufficient in form. Because of that, for our tomorrow's meeting, we will be deliberating on sufficiency in substance of these two impeachment complaints. Remember, we have two impeachment complaints now, the third and the fourth. The first was withdrawn, the second was set aside. So technically, we're dealing only with two impeachment complaints. The third and the fourth, which we will be hearing tomorrow with regards to the determination of sufficiency in substance. No? So for our opening statement, that would be all. You may raise your questions to my colleagues.
Saying na parang nanigurado yung komite at nanigurado daw po yung komite na nanigurado sila because like yung first complaint it was filed before February 6 which was February 2. The original 1-year bar was February 16 to July 2025 impeachment complaint. So ang sinasabi po nila parang nagtatago sa sariling kanino yung House Justice Committee and nanigurado kayo parang makalusot yung impeachment complaints ngayong 2026.
So tayo na. Hindi mo alam sa lahat. Pero kayo po yung Supreme Court decision, di ba? There is no room for equivocation on the date that is stated in the decision, Feb 6, yung recording date. So I think talagang very important po na atin po ng House Committee on Justice na ito po yung susundin po natin na date in proceeding with any impeachment relating to the Vice President. So this is what we are doing today, no? And we will proceed with determination of substance tomorrow. So walang maninigurado dito, we are just complying with what the Supreme Court actually stated as an express date on the recording date for whatever.
I'm almost to my job, guys. You're gonna have no more signal here.
Kasama ba sa allegations